Hello everyone, hi! Welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit, and today we're going to do another 10-minute challenge, collage challenge, in this cute little spaghetti box journal that I've made. I will link it down below for you, and I will link my first video as well of the 10-minute challenge. And usually I'm working from this, but because it's a small journal, I really wanted to grab some elements. I didn't look what we have here. I just grabbed from the middle and we'll see how it goes. I just grabbed my glue stick and yeah, let's start. I will put the timer on, start. I have that here. I have this cute little thing. I'm just gonna go here. Yeah. Can't open that. Okay. Oh, I love this one that I made. It's too big. Okay. Oh, but this one is good. I love that. I don't know if I have a thread or something. I have this. And it's a little big for this small little tag. But I really love it. So I'm gonna cut it, right, a bit smaller. Yeah, I love that. How cute is that? I don't know if I have fabric glue. Will I try? I'll put here. I'm gonna glue this little thing, this little butterfly. filling it here. And I'm just gonna distress this. Okay. And I'm going to glue this here. And I'm gonna put this here just to secure it a bit more. And I'm going to round the corners. I didn't think about that. Okay. Oh no, my timer. I touched my phone and because I got a message and the timer, I think it was on 3 minutes. So let me put the timer again, only this time on, it was 3 something, so okay, good. And this doesn't go there. And I have this cute little thing that can easily go here if I want it, but I love this one, so okay. First, before I put this, I really wanted to add another element. I'm just gonna glue this. And no! Okay, good. And now we have this and this. Oh, I have, oh wow, where did it go? Here. I have this cute little thing and I thought putting it up with this. What do you think? Okay, I have this cute little flower as well, which can go here. Here. I'm not feeling that. So let me put this little key here. And I'm gonna add, no, I'm not feeling that. No. No. Okay. This was okay. So I ran out of time, but that's okay. I just wanted to add 2 more details and that's it. And I just want to glue this better. Good. And I just want to add a sticker because you know me, stickers. I think I will go with this one. No. Sorry. I think I will go with this one. Good. And what I really wanted is to put something here to pull it out. And I'm thinking of adding something like that. I have this. And I'm gonna staple this here, but I really want to distress this. Okay, so I'm going to put it like that here. And yeah, that's it. I love this area. You can add washi tape here to secure this one. And maybe later on we'll do this as well. But I really love how this turned out. It's so cute. I will put the date. What date is today? It's the 16th. I'm really not good yet with yeah. Okay, with this. Love that. I just love how this turned out. It is so cute. Love the different elements here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next week. Bye.